Hello lovelies, how you all doing? I sincerely hope that you all are doing well and good. I'm happy to welcome you back to my channel, Imalogy's Kitchen, and I'm glad to know that you're always there to watch my videos. Okay, for everyone who has subscribed already, I am grateful from the bottom of my heart. I want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. So today I have a video for you that I made for at Eat with Q at her apartment yesterday. You know, I was with her, so I made this nice pepper chicken, and I was on our channel. We ate it together. I know you all loved it, and we promise that you're going to see the video on my channel, and that is why I am bringing it your way today. So please do well to leave a comment in the comment section. I want to know how you find, you know, the preparation and everything. All right, so I'll see you in the video. Meanwhile, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, help your girl. Please subscribe to my channel and do click the bell icon so that you can get notification for every new video that comes your way. I promise that you're interesting videos. All right, so thank you and I love you. See you in the tutorial. Okay, welcome back. So here we have our fresh chicken, not frozen one. It was live chicken that was slaughtered for us. And then here we have onions to steam it. We have pepper blended together with ginger and garlic. We have salt to taste, and of course seasoning cubes. So those are the basic ingredients that I used in steaming my chicken. However, you can add bay leaf, thyme, and any other ingredients that you like to use to steam your meat. Okay, go ahead and pour everything into the pot and allow it to steam. I allowed mine to steam for like 20 minutes. That's because this is a hard chicken. You don't steam all types of chicken, you know, for 20 minutes. For example, if you bought the soft chicken, 10 minutes is okay. Even 5 minutes from boiling point, it's enough to cook it. All ingredients will enter and it is okay, because if you allow it to boil for too long, it will get pieces and you will not like the sight of it at all. So this is a hard chicken, so I boiled it for 20 minutes for everything to get into the chicken properly, for it to have a good taste, you know. So after it is done steaming, I take out the chicken from the stock so that the water can drip off a bit in order for me to grill it in the oven. Yes, you can decide to fry yours or grill it. I decided to grill mine. I think I prefer grilling because it's healthier, and I think you should minimize the way you fry. Just grill most of your things, except where you don't have an option. Of course, then you can go for frying. Otherwise, just grill. Okay, put everything into the pan and then straight into the oven. Allow it to dry to your taste. I can't tell you for how long you should leave it in the oven, because it depends on how you want it to be. I don't know if you want yours to be very crunchy, very dry, very brownish. So it depends on how you want yours to be. So people, let me pause and ask, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, please don't forget to do so and click the bell icon for notification of more interesting videos. Okay, all right, thank you for that. Okay, so after grilling the chicken, we go straight into preparing the pepper sauce. To do that, we have peppers, Scotch bonnet, and then a type of red bell pepper that is actually spicy. It's actually peppery. Yeah, so we're blending them together and it's not going to be smooth. So we have onions cut in round shape. Then we have other bell peppers just for garnishing. Yes. And then we have parsley. groundnut oil, seasoning cubes already crushed into powder form, salt to taste. So you pour the oil into your pan or pot, allow it to get hot, pour in the blended pepper and allow it to fry. It's going to fry until it is done and then the color has changed to red. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Do support your girl. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Also like and drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So this is the consistency we want right here. That's the color I was referring to. So now you're ready to put in other ingredients. Go ahead and add the onions. After adding the onions, stir it properly and then add other ingredients. Add all the bell peppers, stir, and immediately add the chicken because you are not going to allow the bell peppers to cook. So you add the chicken immediately, stir, and then add the parsley. Stir it evenly and you're done. You're good to go. Your food is ready. Well, my people, I want to thank you for watching this video. I also want to ask that you please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can be getting notification of new videos once they drop. Please do like my video and leave a comment in the comment section. Let's continue to get to know each other in the comment section. I love you all until I come your way again in my next video. Please be good and take care of yourself. Bye.